In the dusty corners of a 12th century pharmacy in Nishapur, a man named Farid Attar ground healing herbs, while his heart burned with an entirely different kind of longing. By day, he mixed medicines for the sick. By night, he wrote poetry that would echo through 8 centuries, transforming how millions understood the soul's journey toward the divine. This Persian mystic believed that spiritual enlightenment wasn't locked away in temples or universities. It lived in the everyday moment, in the pharmacist's hands, in the seeker's honest question. His masterpiece, The Conference of the Birds, became a map for the lost. Let's begin. Ooh, what's at that?
This story, penned centuries ago by the Persian mystic poet Farid Attar of Nishapur, continues to inspire seekers of inner meaning. Let's begin. In today's fast-paced world, where distractions are endless and the quest for deeper purpose often feels elusive, the ancient wisdom of Farid Attar resonates with remarkable clarity. Born around 1145 in the vibrant city of Nishapur in northeastern Iran, Attar was not only a dedicated pharmacist working beside his father, but also a profound poet and mystic. Imagine the scent of herbs and spices mingling in his father's shop, a place alive with quiet contemplation amid the daily bustle. It was here, amid tinctures and remedies, that Attar's spirit began weaving intricate verses, over 45,000 couplets, that explored the subtle dance between human souls and the divine. Attar's origin story is steeped in sensory richness, the markets of Nishapur humming with life, the call to prayer echoing against ancient stone walls, and the crisp desert air that frames endless horizons, both physical and spiritual. These elements infused his poetry with a deep longing and an earnest pursuit of what lies beyond mere appearances. His lifetime coincided with an era of profound cultural flowering, yet also political turmoil, which shaped his contemplative approach to life's impermanence. At the core of Attar's teachings is the theme of divine love and spiritual enlightenment. His most celebrated work, The Conference of the Birds, unfolds as an allegory in which the birds symbolize different human traits and spiritual states. Their quest for the Simorgh mirrors the mystical journey every seeker must undertake, moving beyond ego, illusion, and attachment toward a transcendent reality. This journey is not just a physical quest, but an inner transformation, a path that reflects the Sufi concept of fana, or annihilation of the self. In laying down personal desires and illusions, seekers open themselves to experiencing unity with God. This offers a timeless message for modern audiences. True fulfillment arises not from external achievement, but through surrender and deep inner awakening. Another profound teaching found in Attar's writings is captured in his compilation, Memorial of the Saints, where he preserved the wisdom and anecdotes of earlier Sufi masters. These stories are more than historical records. They provide living lessons on humility, patience, and compassion, qualities essential to navigating today's world of rapid change and uncertainty. Attar's portrayal of saints reveals a delicate balance between worldly involvement and spiritual detachment, inviting us to engage with life fully while maintaining a center rooted in divine love. The symbolic nature of Attar's narratives challenges readers to look beyond literal meanings. His poetic language is rich with metaphors that compel introspection. For example, the desert traversed by the birds is not just a place, but a metaphor for spiritual hardship. The night's darkness represents the soul's confusion before enlightenment. These symbols continue to illuminate paths for many who seek meaning amidst the noise of modern existence. Attar's influence rippled across centuries, profoundly shaping later luminaries such as Rumi, Hafiz, and Jami. It is said that a young Rumi may have met Attar personally, receiving the Book of Secrets, which deeply informed his own spirituality. Attar's legacy extends beyond literature, embedding itself in the spiritual practices of Sufism and continuing to inspire those on quests for deeper consciousness around the world. Sadly, Attar's life was cut short during the Mongol invasion of Nishapur in 1221, yet his martyrdom only heightened his revered status as a spiritual beacon.
Attar's life whispers something radical to you right now. Your ordinary work is sacred ground. You don't need to abandon your real life to find meaning. You need to stop abandoning yourself within it. He spent decades mixing potions while composing verses about the soul's flight toward truth. The two weren't separate. Whatever fills your days, your job, your relationships, your struggles, is the exact material your spirit needs. The question isn't whether you're in the right place. The question is whether you're truly present in the place you're in. What if the transformation you're searching for doesn't require escape, but attention? Subscribe for more stories of mystics who found the extraordinary hidden in plain sight. Stay rooted in the wisdom of the ages.